Hello everyone, this is Raymond. Today I want to explain an investment that will dramatically upgrade the dentist business. When many dentists invest in dental equipment, they can assure that their treatment will be as quick and comfortable as possible, addressing anxieties and giving them a new positive experience to replace bad memories. Generally speaking, having updated equipment and high-tech aids allow dentists to deliver an experience totally unlike what patients are used to. However, many dentists have a deep interest in ROI analysis of their investment, but there seems to be little interest in how much their investment contribute to improving patient satisfaction. As you know, ROI analysis simply analyzed when the cost of my investment is recouped from an economic point of view. The more important thing in a doctor's investment, how much it contributes to improving patient satisfaction, rather than when the investment can be got back. As we have already seen before, we know that the dentist's goal should no longer rest on the satisfaction of the patient, but must pursue above and beyond the satisfaction of the patient. Exceptionally satisfactory experience, so it's called wow experience. That is good enough for the dentistry business. If you want to see this letter, is patient's satisfaction good enough for your business? Please let us know and we will send it to you. Many statistics confirm this. According to J.D. Power, only 47.9% of customers who are simply satisfied with the product will purchase again. Bain & Company's survey also shows 65 to 85% of the churned customers who stopped using the product or service give the product a score above satisfaction. Particularly, patient satisfaction in dentistry is a complex of patients' past experiences, good or bad, as well as their personal needs and values. Look at this list of 15 factors to make patients dissatisfied in dental offices. Number 1, no feeling that patients are respected by doctor or staff. Number 2, domineering push without an attitude to care for the patient with sufficient explanation. Number 3, having a patronizing attitude or tone toward patient. Sometimes they talk to their patients as if they were talking to children. Number 4, feeling of being an invisible person because doctor and staff are using technical terminologies while their treatment. Number 5, leaving patients waiting more than 10 minutes without any explanation. Number 6, doctor's mechanical presentation lacking passion or emotion because the doctors being giving so many presentations. Number 7, no emotional exchange and no attempt to create a good relationship. Jump into the treatment plan. Number 8, doctor or staff's long monologues without considering the patient's position at all. Number 9, lack of effort to understand the patient insurance and to make it fully recognized by the patient. Number 10, lack of effort to pay close attention to the patient's financial options to provide private space so that the patient's self-esteem does not get hurt. Number 11, patient options and consensus that are not reflected in the patient treatment plan at all. Number 12, not paying much attention to the complaints that the patient said last time. Number 13, not taking care of the patient anxiety and pain. Number 14, very quiet treatment without enough explanation for the whole treatment. Number 15, bad experience at the front desk, not greeted by a warm hello and a smiling face. If we manage with the goal of patient satisfaction, we will never be able to satisfy our patients. This is because the concept of the patient satisfaction is not simple, and it is the result of the mixture with a personal experience as well as dental treatment or custom service. Therefore, the key to the success of dental business is to manage with the goal of providing the highest level of satisfaction to patients so that existing patients will not only continue to loyally visit the dentist, but will also make sure that they bring many people around themselves. Back to the dentist equipment investment. The most important investment should be one that can make a significant contribution to eliminating the most important discomfort many patients have. What is the most important discomfort many patients have? The biggest reason patients are reluctant to go to the dentist is fear. More than 75% of Americans have some level of the dental anxiety, with 9 to 15% avoiding the dentist entirely due to anxiety or fear. 5 to 10% experienced a fear so profound it is classified as dental phobia, which is much more serious than generalized fear. As a result, their health suffered as this phobia causes them to avoid seeing a dentist of any reason. Pain is the top reason for dental fear. If any dental equipment investment can get rid of or minimize this pain and help the patient to receive a very comfortable treatment, this would be the best dental equipment investment. Yoshida CO2 laser is made for the patient comfort. It has already well proved by most of Japanese dentists. When a Japanese moved to a different city and has to find a new doctor, they should check whether the doctor has Yoshida CO2 laser or not. If you need to know why Yoshida CO2 laser is the best among several CO2 machines, you can use the link. If you need also to know why CO2 laser is the best laser, you can use a different link. As you know, the satisfaction of the patients cannot be increased just by purchasing and using a good machine. Patient satisfaction will rise sharply only when patients are sufficiently aware of its meaning and patient can confirm it. With the best CO2 laser Yoshida machine, we will also provide you how to implement wow experience in your dentistry. Will be covered in detail in the future. I guess around 50 different agendas we can handle. Combining these two is sure to provide a groundbreaking turning point for your business. Thank you so much for your watching video. Please let me know what you think as a comment or email.